students, in this class we discuss about AC analysis of RC series circuit. AC analysis of RC circuit. Series circuit means a resistive and capacitive elements are connected in series, and then we excite these two elements with AC source. Now we consider a resistance of R ohm and a capacitance of C farad is connected with AC source or excited with AC source. Its voltage is V volt, and due to which current flowing in the circuit is I. Now voltage across resistance is VR and voltage across capacitor is VC. Now apply KVL. V is equal to VR plus VC, where VR is equal to I into R and DC is equal to minus JXC into I. So now VR is I into IR minus JXC into I. So I constant R minus JXC is equal to V. So current in the circuit I is equal to V upon R minus JXC, where R minus JXC is equal to Z. That is impedance of RC circuit, and Z is equal to magnitude of Z is equal to under root R square plus XC square, and phi is equal to tan inverse R upon XC minus. Now we can write I is equal to V by angle 0 degree divided by Z by angle phi. So next we can write I is equal to V upon Z by angle phi. Here angle is minus phi, so that with voltage V, this angle will be positive. So here we can calculate the value of current, that is V upon Z by angle phi. Next, instantaneous power. Here we consider V is equal to by angle 0. Instantaneous power. Instantaneous power P is equal to V into I. V by angle 0 degree and I by angle phi. We can write V into I by angle phi. We can also write Vi cos phi plus J Vi sin of phi, where V is RMS value of current, voltage, and I is RMS value of current. So we can also write average power P is equal to VRMS IRMS also phi. Reactive power Vi sin phi. So it can be proved if we write if V is equal to Vm sin omega t, then I will be equal to Im sin omega t plus phi. The power P is equal to Vm Im sin omega t plus phi. Now we multiply by 2 and then divide by 2. We get Vm Im divided by 2 and 2 sin omega t minus plus phi is equal to cos phi minus cos 2 omega t minus plus phi. This is the power equation. Now for time period 0 to 2 pi, this is instantaneous power. Instantaneous power. Average power is equal to Vm Im by 2 pi into 1 by 2 integration 0 to 2 pi and cos of phi minus cos 2 omega t plus phi dot d omega. And after that we find Vm Im by 2 cos of phi. P average is equal to Vm Im by 2 cos of phi. This is the average power in RC circuit. Now waveform for RC circuit. This is for V and I. We know that V is equal to Vm sin omega t and I is equal to Im sin omega t plus phi. So if we take reference as a voltage wave phi and 2 pi, so current is omega t plus phi, means plus phi means leading, so plus phi is here. We consider this is plus phi. So current wave is this. So it is V equal to Vm sin omega t and this is I equal to Im sin omega t plus phi. This is the voltage wave for and current wave. Waveform of voltage and current in RC series circuit. Now if we draw phasor, voltage phasor. We know that V is equal to VR plus VC. So we can write here A and VR is equal to IR and this is minus JXC into I. So if we take reference as a current I, is the reference. So IR is here, IR, that is equal to VR. Minus JXC into I, minus JXC into I is here. This is X minus XC is plus X. So here minus JXC into I. So total voltage is this. So this is the V is equal to VR minus plus VC. This is voltage phasor for RC series circuit. This is also a impedance phasor. Here R on x-axis and JC on y-axis or imaginary axis. So this is the phasor diagram for voltage in RC series circuit, and this is the waveform for voltage and current in RC series circuit. This angle is phi. Next, now we take a question based on RC series circuit. The question is voltage and current in a series circuit are voltage and current in a RC series circuit are here V is equal to 200 into root 2 sine 314t minus 30 degree, and I is equal to 20 root 2 sine 340t plus 30 degree. And now in this question we have to find first circuit parameters. Find circuit parameters. First, second is power factor of the circuit. Power factor of the circuit. And third is graph impedance triangle. Graph impedance triangle. So first of all, we see that voltage is V is equal to 200 root 2 sine 314t minus 30 degree, and I is equal to 20 root 2 sine 340t plus 30 degree. So first we see that phase angle for voltage is equal to minus 30 degree. Phase angle of current is equal to plus 30 degree. Phase difference is minus 30 minus plus 30. It becomes minus 60 degree. So here phase difference is minus 60 degree. Now impedance in the circuit Z is equal to V upon I. So we can write V is equal to 200 root 2 by angle minus 30 degree and I is equal to 20 root 2 by angle plus 30 degree in polar form. So it becomes 10 by angle minus 60 degree. So Z is equal to 10 by angle minus 60 degree. Now we can write Z is equal to 10 cos 60 minus 60 plus J 10 sin minus 60. So it becomes cos minus 60 is equal to 1 by 2. It is 5. And sin minus 60 is equal to minus 0.866. So it becomes minus J 8.66 ohm. So here we can see that 5 is R and minus J 0.866. This is the value of XC. So this series circuit is RC series circuit. So we can say that this circuit is RC series circuit. RC series circuit, where R is equal to 5 ohm and XC is equal to 0.8 ohm. XC is equal to 8.66 ohm. Now we have to find XC is 8.66. So C is equal to here omega is equal to 340 omega t minus 30. Omega is equal to 340 and XC is equal to 1 upon omega 3. So 340 into C, that is equal to 8.66. So omega C is equal to 1 upon 340 into 8.66 farad. In this way, the value of C is 367.5 microfarad. 367.5 microfarad. So circuit parameters are R is equal to 5 ohm and C is equal to 367.5 microfarad. These are the circuit parameters. Next, power factor. Next we calculate power factor. Power factor. Power factor, that is cos of phi. Power factor is equal to cos of phi, where phi is equal to minus 60 degree. So power factor is equal to cos minus 60 degree is equal to 0.5 leading. This is the power factor of the circuit, RC series circuit, that is 0.5 leading. Now, third point is impedance phasor. Third point is impedance phasor. In case of impedance phasors, where R is 5 ohm and XC is 8.66 ohm, so that becomes under root Z is equal to under root R square plus x square. So value of z is equal to 10. So it is z is equal to 10. So this is the impedance phasor plus x minus. This is impedance phasor for RC series circuit. So thank you for today class.